Hello students, this side Namrata Chaudhary. My video topic is learning. Contents: learning rule, types of learning rule. Learning rule. Learning rule or learning process is a method or a mathematical logic. It improves the artificial neural network performance and apply this rule over the network. This learning rule updates the weight and bias level of network when a network simulates in a specific data environment. Applying learning rule is an iterative process. It helps a neural network to learn from existing conditions and improve its performance. Basically, learning means to do and adapt the change in itself as and when there is a change in environment. ANN is a complex system, or more precisely we can say that it is a complex adapted system which can change its internal structure based on the information passing through it. Types of learning rules: Hebbian learning rule, delta learning rule, winner takes all learning rule. Hebbian learning rule. This rule, one of the oldest and simplest, is introduced Donald Hebb in his book The Organization of Behavior in 1949. It is a kind of feed-forward unsupervised learning. The connection between two neurons might be strengthened if neurons fire at the same time and might weaken if they fire at different times. The basic concept of this rule is that when an axon of cell A is near enough to excite a cell B and repeatedly takes part in firing it, some growth process or metabolic change take place in one or both cells such that A's efficiency as one of the cells firing B is increased. Delta learning rule. Delta learning rule. It is introduced Bernard Widrow and American Hoff, also called least mean square LMS method, to minimize the error overall training patterns. It is kind of supervised learning algorithm with having continuous activation function. The basic concept of this rule is that the base of this rule is gradient descendant approach, which continues forever. Delta rule updates the synaptic weight so as to minimize the net input to the output unit and the target value. Winner take all rule. It is proceed with unsupervised training in which the output node try to compete with each other to represent the input pattern. This network is just like a single layer feed-forward network with feedback connection between output. The connection between output are inhibitory type, which means the competitor never support themselves. This rule is called winner take all because only the winning neurons is updated and the rest of neurons are left unchanged. Basic concept of this rule is that, as said earlier, there will be competition among the output node. Hence, the main concept is that during the training, output unit with the highest activation to the given input pattern will be decided the winner. This rule is called winner take all because all the winning neurons is updated and the rest of neurons are left unchanged. Thank you.